This is the best rear kitchen fifth wheel on sale today. Let's go check it out. Here we are inside my favorite rear kitchen floor plan for 2025. Let's get to it. Right when you walk in the door, you are greeted by a 102-inch wide body, opposing slides, and you get slapped in the face by how bright white it is in here. We've got fully painted hardwood slide fascias, hardwood cabinetry. We've got glossy white solid surface countertops. If you want to put a desk chair there or whatever you want to do with that, you can do something with that. Over here, it might look like you only have seating for two, but you've got seating for four or five, really. Two more chairs under the bed. And it pulls out that easy, and then it goes back in just as easy, like so. No carpet in the slide, of course. It's 2025. Come on, guys, get with the times. Sunshades and blackout shades. Dual pane frameless tinted windows. This countertop beside your dinette has a wireless charger that pulls up into a power tower with USB, USB-C, and two household outlets. Now, beside your dinette, we've got this little office space. So there's a carpet square here. Your two recliners roll over onto that when you're in transit. But then you could put an office chair or some bar stools or something there, however you want to use this. Now, it is kind of designed to be a desk. You've got this funky L-shaped extension with a bit of storage underneath. And then this drawer right here. To the right of your desk, you've got this pantry with the motion light, a few adjustable shelves. There's one more here that comes out, and this back here is liquid chalk, so you can write on the front of the glass if you want. Then we've got a set of 5-piece dovetail drawers down there. Now that's important to talk about. In the Pinnacle now, you get dovetail drawers in 24s and 25s, and they are nice. They're glossier than before. Super, super high quality 75-pound drawer slides, and they're soft close as well. If we close this up, last order of business in this slide is your residential fridge. You got an ice maker, water, all of that. Left side your fridge, left side your freezer, right side your fridge. And you can get it with a 12-volt fridge as well. Let's keep moving backwards into the kitchen. We got solid surface countertops the whole way around. Kind of a gray lower cabinetry, and then glossy white upper cabinetry. We've got this pull-out pantry for cans or whatever else. There's tons of room in there. You could put extra spices in there, but you do have space for spices up above the microwave here. Loads of room beside the microwave. And this is a corner cabinet, so it connects to the other one. Now, one thing I've noticed is that none of these cabinets have stoppers, so if you let them open all the way, they could smash into each other and you could damage the finish. So that's just something to be aware of. Maybe you want to stick a little felt on the handles of the cabinets that could slam into each other, but just something to note. Then we've got a convection microwave up here, a GE profile range. There is, of course, grates that go up top here. I don't know where they are. Then we've got this double drawer, which is, I think you probably would use it for silverware, not for TV remotes, but you know, do what you want. And if I can ever open it, because they're very strong, these soft close hinges, you've got a little bit more space underneath. You've got a secret drawer. And yeah, you best believe that even this drawer is soft close. Boom. Another double decker down here. Open that up. And another secret drawer. Boom. Then we close that. The Pinnacle is the last of Jayco's lineup to have more than one color choice for the interior. So you can choose between two colors. One is Vintage Farmhouse, I believe this is called, with the gray, or you can get it in all white, which is Modern Farmhouse. Then you've got the juice cupboard up here to hide it away from the grandkids, the kids. There we are. Over here on this side, we've got this awesome huge sink. It's got a little like produce washing thing. There's a cutting board that goes here. And a little cup washer. Pull out sprayer faucet and a nice window so you can see whatever view you have out the back. In this corner here, we've got a little plug and a wireless charger. Power station with USB, USB-C, and 2 household outlets. Again, really great backsplash, tons of counter space. And there's another wireless charger and power tower up over here. Down below your sink, we've got a dishwasher from the factory and a whole bunch more storage. Down there. Really deep one here. And look at that, there's the grates for the stove hiding away. Then on this side, you have a little bit of a raised countertop. Garbage and recycling here, and the pull-out cutting board with the hole in it, so you can just scrape your scraps right into the trash. Now moving on from the kitchen, let's go towards the front. Here's this huge couch in a slide. We've got panoramic windows here, awesome lighting up top with a glossy slide fascia. All these windows open so you can let tons of air through. This side pulls out into a bed, and then you've got the 2 recliners here. Those detach and go over there when you're in transit, and then the corner and the trifold sofa stay where they are. You got cup holders with the tables. These tables do come out though. Then for your entertainment center, we got the sweet plate for your central vac setup down there, and a fireplace. We've got a little kind of faux live edge mantle, sound bar with your 4K smart TV there, and the contrasting wallboard, which is super nice. Up in the roof here, we've got your optional 3rd air conditioner. And back here, we've got your Whisper Quiet standard AC, which there's a second one of those up in the front because you get 2 standard from the factory. Up here, we've got your half bath, porcelain foot flush toilet, solid glossy hardwood door. There's me, sorry folks, not included with purchase. Medicine cabinet. Stainless steel sink. Solid surface counters in here to match everything else. Tons of storage. And soft close cabinets again. A whole boatload of storage here on the right side. Across from your half bath to the right of the entryway door, we've got your BM Pro control panel where you can do everything. You can also hook your phone to it and control everything right from your phone. Plus, this has the Jayco J voice setup, so you can talk to it like you would talk to Siri. As you can see, it lit up when I said Jayco. And you can say something like, all lights, it'll turn all the lights on or off. So there's that control panel, and then we've got your fan control for the fan in the living room there. Up here, we've got a little entry closet for hanging coats, things like that. Above that is another cabinet. Now, one last thing I left out here, beside the kick plate there, you've got a spot for your vacuum hose. Now let's head up into the bedroom. In the bedroom here, we have a huge king mattress on a bed slide. We got USB on both sides of the bed, windows that open for a cross breeze, and the window up top opens as well. If I lift this up, we're on a plywood base, and there's a good bit of storage in there. We've got a hose for outside, microwave stuff. There's all your vacuum attachments, all sorts of goodies. Across from the bed, got a little dresser here, 2 drawers in the dresser, not soft close. And then we've got this little flip-up storage area. Now don't let that slam because it's spring-loaded, so it will slam down. Roller shades in here, just blackout, no sunshades. We've got another smart TV right here, some storage on both sides, and these cabinets are soft close. Now here are the intakes for your second Whisper Quiet air conditioning system. Your main AC does have a heat pump as well, standard from the factory on the Pinnacle, because these are designed for full-time RVing. So they're made to keep you warm and keep you cool. We've got a fully enclosed and heated underbelly with radiant foil barrier insulation everywhere. We've got double layer insulation all over the place. They're designed for full-time RVing and warranted for full-time RVing as well. Moving on into your bathroom, we got solid surface counters up in here. Single sink, don't start in the comments below. You don't need a double vanity, come on you guys. The mirror is huge, you can share one sink. And if it's that big of a deal, go to the half bath. Anyway, got a fantastic fan in here. There is also one up in the kitchen. And like I said, whole whack load of storage. This is a porcelain sink. Got a heat vent down there. More soft closed drawers. More storage. And over here, we've got your luxury shower, your porcelain foot flush toilet. And in this shower, which has a plywood reinforced base, there is a teak seat. You can flip that away, or you can put it down and you can pretend you're in the sauna. We've got a light in the shower now. That is awesome. I love that because showers are usually way too dark. Plus 2 skylights, and this shower really is luxurious. We got a spray head that you can, you know, and then you got 2 spray heads here and one right there. So plenty of water coming at ya. Now let me get the heck out of the shower and let's go into your front closet. Behind these glossy, glassy doors, we've got a cedar lined front closet with tons of storage space. Lots of hanging space all around, and it's cedar lined. This is cool, not just because it looks nice and it feels luxurious, but because cedar oils actually keep away moths. Kind of neat, so you don't have to worry about mothballs. Tons of room for shoes and clothes and whatever else. And then we are prepped for a washer and a dryer here. And as you can see, those are your 2 other chairs for your dinette. All right, here we are back on the outside. And we're going to talk about a few things. First off, you can see we have 2 massive awnings here. We're prepped for side and backup cameras. We're prepped for a generator. And there's plenty of room in here for tons of batteries, a massive inverter, whatever you want to do, you got space for it. You can see though, even this front compartment door is super thick. It's a lot thicker than a lot of the competition. Got a MoRide pin box. So it's got a little bit of movement in it. Got this great front cap with accent lighting. Check that out. Looks fantastic. Also got this new 3-dimensional lettering as opposed to a sticker for the Pinnacle on the full body paint models. Got Dexter toe assist built in, so that's ABS and sway control, as well as an odometer, so you can see how far you've traveled with your RV. You've got 120 pounds of propane from the factory, and there's your battery disconnect hiding back there. We have 6-point auto level, and it is hydraulic on the Pinnacle. Now, we're on a 102-inch wide drop frame. Here's a look at that frame. And we've got a fully enclosed and heated underbelly. This one has slide toppers. That is an option. That's not standard from the factory, because in windier places, they're not very handy. We live in a very windy area in Alberta, and no one likes slide toppers. But down here, well, you want to keep the leaves and debris off. It doesn't get all that windy, so they're a good choice. Got built-in triple filtration. This is the Nuvo H2O system, exclusive to Jayco for, I believe, 2 years. See, we've got a vent that you can control, so if you want all your heat directed up, you can direct that up. If you want to put some down here, because you've got something that could freeze or get cold, you can direct some heat down into this enormous storage compartment. You can also see we've got radiant barrier foil insulation here, and your water system, which is separated from the rest. Got all your pulls here for the front tanks, as well as routing for cables, hoses, etc., because all your connections are right here. And you got your outdoor shower, so hot and cold. And then there is a cold spray port on the site side as well. Up here is your black tank flush, Uniroyal 17.5-inch wheels, the Mow-Ride suspension, really high quality ride on the Pinnacle as well. We also have TPMS, so you can monitor your tires from your truck. Then we keep going this way. We've got your gray water pull for your kitchen. Your sewer hose storage is hiding right there. And then we've got a reel for your 50 amp electrical cable, and it is an electric reel. Then we have a full molded fiberglass rear cap. It's also painted. You can see your backup camera prep up there. Now let me climb up this ladder and show you what's going on the roof. Up here you can see we've got 2 solar panels and 3 air conditioners. That middle one is the optional air conditioner. We've got a Magnum Truss roof. This is an Alpha Ply tough membrane, which it's very thick. It's a really good roof system, and it's fully walkable. Back on this side, we've got your other slide, your other awning. We've got TV and power. We've got your J-port hookup right here, because you can order it with a table and a griddle for that table. So there is also, there is also a propane quick connect right down there. Here we've got fridge service access right there. See how glossy this paint is? Wow. Squared off windows in the slide. And another TV, which connects to these outdoor speakers as well. This one has a standard water heater, but you can option them with Truma on demand as well. Here's your cold water spray port. And down here is your JBL sound system control. You can use this from the outside or inside. And here's your vacuum. So this opens up. You can access your bag and all that. Or you can use this to vacuum stuff up here, vacuum off your furniture, stuff like that. And that's it. That is the 2025 Jayco Pinnacle 38 FBRK. I want to hear what you guys have to say about it. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.